Hello, my name is Anand Gopalakrishnan. Welcome to the third episode about Python. In the second video, we learned about variables, how to name variables, and how to declare them. In this video, we will be learning about data types. So let's jump right in. What is a data type? A data type is a classification that defines the type of data, usually the data in a variable, and the functions and operations you can perform on that type. In any programming language, the three most basic data types are numbers, text or strings, and true-false values or booleans. Take the example on the right. The type student has functions study for exam, sleep, play game, and eat food. The operators it has are assign homework and check score. There are three different types of data types in Python: simple, compound, and none. The simple data types are strings, numbers, and booleans, and the numbers are divided further into integers, floating points, and complex. The compound data types are dictionaries, lists, and sets. For now, we will just be dealing with the simple data types. Integers are the whole numbers, positive or negative. We use them to count everyday things like sheep. Some examples of integers include 5, -9, 465, or -29. Floating points are any numbers with trailing decimals. We use them to measure parts of wholes like half a pizza, but we can't use them for some objects like sheep. Some examples of floating points include 0.5, 1.45, -4.588, and 23.9. Complex numbers, sometimes termed as imaginary numbers, are a set of numbers that cannot be expressed in terms of real objects, like ghosts. Complex numbers are always ending with the letter J. Some examples include 2J, 5 plus 3J, and 3 minus 1J. Strings are sets of characters enclosed between two quotation marks, like a clothesline. Some examples of strings include hello world, 367 centimeters, or 3 plus 6 equals question mark. Booleans are a type that can store one of two values, true or false. These are the only two examples of booleans. Well done! You have completed your third lesson in Python. In the next video, we will be going through the print function of Python and a basic introduction of the print statement. We will also be writing our first program. So I'll see you next time.